Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk?
I'm excited.
Today's challenge is right up my alley. I love working with big pieces, fluid pieces.
This challenge isn't that relevant to me, well, because it's not really my style, nor my niche market. I don't make these too often.
I love the challenge.
It's a shame. I'm going to report you to the authorities. I'm going to report you to the relevant authorities.
We had a slight celebration because Monique is very, very good.
I had to finish a client's dress. It was a sticky position.
I'm gonna tell you now, you sit in a top 3, it's a good feeling, but it's like you walk around a bull's eye on your back. This morning, Monique was late. I know I said, they don't want Monique show up. Everybody come off it, so you have to make sure you stay up on your A game. Because you can't make no mistake, and one mistake can just get in at the bottom 3. You don't want that.
It would have been one less for me to beat.
If she there or she not there, it doesn't really matter.
I'm a little bubbly today because I think I found the perfect fabric and I stayed in budget. I got quite a lot of stuff at Pablo's. I love the challenge. It's giving me a flirty feel and I'm gonna channel my inner heritage. My grandfather from my mommy's side is Indian, so I'm going for an Indian dancing costume look.
I love flowy stuff, so I'm excited for this challenge because of that. I already know what I was gonna do, so it was just to get the material and get to work.
For some reason, as she was talking, I thought about flamingos. Our budget was $5,000, so while I'm not looking for cheap looking fabric, I'm still looking for quality within the budget. I was lucky enough to find the mesh at a pretty decent cost. Everything else I had to kind of sacrifice for that.
Well, I took inspiration from a fabric that I saw. I don't think this is my area really, but I have to show that I'm competent.
I changed my designs about 3 times already because the fabric that I bought, the machine kind of boring large holes in the fabric. So it's hard to get the original design idea to life. So I'm kind of shifting it as I go along to see what happens.
I wanted to portray the movement of the butterfly wings and not also portray movement, but also display the beauty from a butterfly as well.
Today's challenge is right up my alley. I love working with big pieces, fluid pieces. So I choose chiffon because I want a lot of movement in my fabric and then it's supposed to be fashionable. I'm mixing that movement with ballroom costume.
I am trying to embody a salsa dancer. I went with fringes so that when she moves and, as if she's doing a salsa dance, it will shimmy and shake with her. I'm into evening wear, so ballroom dancers tend to wear somewhat like evening wear, so I think it's fitting. And as a designer, you're supposed to, it's not just about looking glamorous, it's also about functionality. So is the garment working how it's supposed to work? So a challenge like this reminds you that you have to think about function, stretch, movement. You don't want seams to be popping, threads to be popping when the dancer moves.
The soldering iron. Yes, I have one at home. I forgot it.
By us?
No, home.
Okay.
I tend to work with my Jamaican reggae dancers. My people, they always try to incorporate movements in their they consider movement when they're going out. So I think I'll do well.
Love you guys.
My inspiration is a little bit of ice skater meets sunshine.
Normally these outfits they go on stage, so very often I would try to put like shiny diamantes on it or shiny lace so it could reflect well on the stage. Chiffon throughout the outfit, so when she turns or spins, there will be a lot of movement.
I didn't really realize how much in Jamaican dollars it was in US. So when I actually did the conversion after the second challenge, I'm like, whoa, this is a little bit of money. I just try to manipulate the fact that, okay, I gotta have enough yards and stay within the budget, so it works well for me. But the plus in Jamaica, I have to give Jamaica a plus. The fabric here is so reasonable, because in the Bahamas being 1-to-1, we are expensive. I mean expensive.
After this challenge, we can show the relationship. Don't have a challenge like that. We are going to please never get us how much.
I not balance at all. I not going good. I'm tired. Literally, I function on 2-3 hours of sleep. I deal with customers, make sure some pieces. I finish sewing time.
So I probably have 2 days out of the week to do my personal work. So I have to complete garments to put in my showrooms, and I have clients' outfits to complete. I'm making one now for a party on Saturday that I went home 3 a.m. this morning. The client came by the shop at 1 a.m. and I finished at 3 a.m. And I went to sleep 4:30 to get here by 7 this morning. No sleep.
I have a 4-year-old daughter and a 1-year-old son. It's not easy though, because like last night I breastfed and that alone had me exhausted. It's not easy, it's tiring.
My only focus is to win. I came here and I put everything on pause. I paused my website, paused my everyday life so that I can focus on the money.
Everybody who came to Jamaica for this competition kind of gave up work for this time period.
It's a competition. It is, for me, priority right now. So all things are kind of put aside, put on hold. And once I complete the mission, then I will get back to it. But this is my main focus right now.
Honestly, I push back everything that my life back in Trinidad, and I just dealing with Jamaica. I'm not letting nothing stress me back home. I will literally not answer messages if I don't feel it important. I won't take phone calls if it's not important. So I'm here, my mind is on Mission Catwalk. I'm here to do my best. I'm here to at least make it really far.
I had a wedding this month, but I canceled it off, referred it to a client, referred the photos to a client because it was bigger than me. So, I mean, my support system, like my family, my friends, everybody's rooting for me. I'm the only Bahamian, so the pressure is tall.
Rather just focus on it, because it's still a challenge. It's still a competition. And right now nobody don't want to go home, especially me.